Do you understand the Trinity?
I do not.
Okay. Dimitri, do you want
Go ahead.
Yeah, so like one being in three persons is going to be like, so basically.
Do you understand the Trinity?
Not perfectly, of course not. Because, well, do you understand how God is infinite? No, God's infinite or any of that?
I got you, right? So first thing is, neither one of us understands the Trinity, so he's explaining to me something he doesn't understand.
Well, of course,
but just because you don't understand something perfectly doesn't mean you can't explain it.
I got you. So I'm not asking for perfection, but I'm saying God is infinite. I understand that. I may not be able to conceptualize it, but I understand that. I can say, you know, God's always been there. He will always be there. He is the all-knowing, the all-powerful, never in need of anybody, always able to do everything. That's easy to understand, right? Now, when you talk about the Trinity, and I've been looking into this since I was a teenager, it just never makes sense, because when you go into it, everybody always, and this is what you're going to do as well, I'm predicting this, it's going to end up with saying it's a mystery. Right? because you can't understand it, because it doesn't make sense.
God be mysterious though, if he's like actually like far beyond us and
I got you. I mean, for me, I believe in God in a way that I can understand, even though I'm not saying I grasp every aspect of God's being, but I believe there's one God. Easy to understand, right? I mean, if I said there's God's one, you can understand that, right?
But you can't perfectly grasp who that one God is. So isn't that a mystery?
Let me explain to you what I believe, and no problem, right? So I believe there's one God. I believe that God's always been there, will always be there, never dies, never gets tired, doesn't change. He is always all-powerful.